This is the review of the Tamiya 148 scale M4 Sherman, and this is a model that I've already built, but I want to do a review on it and show you the details. The one nice thing about this is it's fairly sturdy. It's actually got a metal bottom here, and the turret does actually rotate around, and you can take it off when you line it up correctly, like that. In addition, this gun does also move up and down. As you can see, I've drilled out the end of the gun turret there. It comes with a machine gun and some tools that are stuck on top. Here you can see the lights and the tracks do not move, and they're made out of plastic, not rubber. And as you can see, I've also added some rust and some silver to give the effect that the paint is worn. Decals were quite nice and went on very easily, and that's the model. Next we'll review the instructions. So inside here. So there are the paints required, and we start off with the gear wheels on the side. We start to put in the rear panel there of the main body. Then you put on the drive wheels and suspension. And then for the other side, those are all mounted then onto the main body. The tracks are then put on, and these are glued in place. They do not move. Next we put the the sides on, and armor, tools and so on onto the main body. Next the hull parts on the front are put on, and then our turret. And you can see the gun is put in place, and it does move if you glue it in correctly there. Lastly, put the machine gun, and you can have it open or closed. I chose to have it closed because there's nothing really to see on the inside, and that's all then put together. Here are the decal and paint guides. So this is from World War II, summer of '44. Here's another one, and then another one in Italy from 1944. So it's a very nicely made model. Kit's very easy to work with, and gives you a nice result.